Welcome to JH. I recently started using Medilisk bee venom treatment spray because I wanted a natural way to handle sore muscles and skin relief. Because apparently, voluntarily applying bee venom is the new peak of self-care, and it beats getting chased by a hive. What stood out immediately was how light and refreshing it feels, absorbing into the skin faster than my motivation disappears on a Monday morning. It leaves absolutely no greasy residue, so you won't spend the rest of the day sliding off your furniture. The combination of bee venom and herbal ingredients provides a gentle, warming sensation that actually soothes stiff joints and tired muscles without making you feel like you're standing too close to a campfire. After using it consistently, I've noticed significantly less tension in my shoulders and legs, and my post-workout recovery feels much smoother. Another great thing about this spray is its versatility. I use it on sore spots after exercise and on areas that get tight from the grueling physical labor of sitting in an office chair for 8 hours straight. It always brings a calming effect without making a mess, and the scent is clean and pleasant, which is a nice change from smelling like a walking pharmacy. It's easy to carry around and apply whenever you need a boost. Overall, Medilisk has been a convenient addition to my wellness routine, making me feel relaxed and supported every day, or at least until the next leg day rolls around.